Hey, teacher friends. I just wanted to show you a new feature on Google Classroom. It came out probably about a month ago, spring of 2022. And if you haven't seen it yet, it's a very useful feature if you have multiple blocks of the same class. Like for me right now, I've got 3 Spanish 1 classes. So what this new feature is it allows you to post an announcement, a schedule post and announcement to multiple classes at the same time. Whereas in the past, you could only schedule post for one class at a time. So like just take, for example, you put your post up here, you put all your links and attachments and stuff like that. Right here, we'll pick the 3 different Spanish 1 classes that I want to make this post for. And then over here on the right, I'm going to click schedule. And this part right here is what's new. So you can do a couple of things here. Like let's say you want this post to go out to all classes at the same time, 2:50 on April 28th. What you can do is you can see that it's set for this first period class, and then click copy all settings, and then it'll copy all those to here. Or if you wanted to, you could also do individual times like this. So maybe this class you want it to be at 1:50, and then this class you want it to be at 12:50 p.m. So now it's the same post, but it'll go at different times during the day. And then you just hit schedule, and you're done. You're ready to go. Hope this helps you guys. Hasta luego.